welcome to this special video. I have something that came in the mail. So, from the title, you can tell that it is a Crochet Society unboxing. Look how gorgeous this box is. That is so pretty. Just gorgeous. So, love that sound. Ooh. Making waves. And there's the inside. Can I see some yarn peeking out? Oh, that's soft. Okay. So let me get this opened up. I'm trying not to rip it. All right. Wow. You guys, this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so soft. So this yarn is King Cole. It is something I've never tried. King Cole Bramble DK. And it is 100% premium acrylic. Ah, yes, love that. All right, let's see here. There is 100 grams, which is approximately 317 yards. It's made in Turkey. And it's in the colorway Gorse, G-O-R-S-E. Let me see if I can get that to focus in for you. And of course not. So let's try this. Well, it still doesn't want to, does it? Oh, there we go. But look at those colors. That's just gorgeous. So pretty. So soft. There's some green and some blue and some white and some gray in that. I hope you can actually pick that up. But they're just alike. Oh, those are so soft. And looks like we've got a canvas bag maybe with a pull rope. I know it's pretty, it matches the box. Well, it's not a canvas bag. Oh my gosh, you guys. Guess what it is? It is a bag for hooks. And look, those holes are wide enough that it will hold my wooden Lether Co hooks. Oh my gosh. And then you use the rope to roll it up and tie it up. Oh my gosh. I love, 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 love this. This is so nice. Whew. I will definitely use that a lot. Oh wow. This hook is cute, cute, cute. It's a 3.5 millimeter. Hopefully that'll focus in for you. But I hope you can see. Oh, you can a little bit there. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is just so pretty. I think my light in here is too bright. Oh, you can see a little bit more of it there with the different colors in it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. And oh, how cute. So it's an ice cream cone, but it's not just any ice cream cone. It has a ball of yarn and a crochet hook in it. That is just so, so cute. And a patch, and it says, it's so cute. It says stay chilled. And it also has like the yarn balls for the ice cream, and at the top there is a hook. Hopefully you can see that. That's cute. I can see me sewing that onto something for my grandbaby. And then of course we've got the conversion chart, because all of their patterns are done in the UK terminology, so they translate it to the US terminology. And I keep these cards, and sometimes I pass them along in some of my giveaways. And then of course that's my passcode, but I can't show you that for tutorials. So let's find our book and see what we got going on this month. And of course, always in the beginning is a sweet little note from our beautiful Sarah Jane. And let's see what our patterns are. So we have a Love Lock lace. Hook this lovely lightweight wrap to keep away any summer chills. It is designed by Emily Littlefair, and that's what it looks like. And here's another picture of it. That is very elegant. I like that. So the King Cole yarn, it says, we're so excited about this month's yarn. It is brand new and hasn't made it to the shops yet, meaning you're getting to use it before everyone else. So this is a new type of yarn. It is very, very soft. Ah, squishy, squishy. King Cole Bramble is a premium acrylic yarn, and it is smooth spun, making it nice and easy to crochet with. You'll have also noticed that it is self-striping, which means you're in for some interesting color changes. Look at the beautiful effect in the Love Lock lace shawl. It comes in 6 delicious colorways. Check out Loganberry for an alternative rainbow that really made us smile, or Raspberry for a richer range of hues. Plus you get a fabulous 290 millimeters per ball. So there's a lot of yarn to play with. So it is new yarn. Yay, yay, yay. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love these. I got butterflies all in my studio here, and they have a Flutter of Wishes wall hanging. This gorgeous wall butterfly wall hanging is the perfect on-the-go project. It is designed by Catherine Pope. That is cute. I do like that. Let me get my fingers out of the way. Hopefully you can see that. That is really, really cute. Those would also be really cute to make, to set on top of a present or something. There's yet another picture of it. Those are so, so cute. And then the third pattern oh my gosh. It is a Bramble Romper. The design for this adorable baby make is inspired by the cobbled streets of British seaside towns, designed by Ashley Kelly. So, a little baby romper. That is so adorable. And there's another kind of, whoops, big picture of it. All right. So I will soon be sending out a little poll for y'all to tell me which project you think I should make with this pretty yarn. I think I know hands down what it should probably be. But technically, from what I have come to realize, usually Sarah Jane gives us enough yarn to do all 3 projects. So, but we'll see. But I'm going to do another poll and let y'all decide which one you think I should do the most, or first, or just in general. So, very, very pretty. Did it say what weight this was? Oh, duh. It says a DK weight right there. But very soft looking fiber. And it does glide on my finger very easily. So that means it would do the same on a hook. So, very pretty. Love those colors right there. So, so pretty. All right. Well, this has been our Box 15 Crochet Society unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I'm going to enjoy these goodies. I just love these boxes so much. And so if it is something that you are interested in, I will leave the description or the information in the description box below, so you can try and jump on this wonderful box of love that Sarah Jane sends out every month. So take care, be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, make lots and lots of joyful creations this week, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.